Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EKN Trader. If you've ever wondered what Forex trading actually is and how people make money by buying and selling currencies, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Forex trading is, how the market works, what currency pairs are, what pips and lot sizes mean, how leverage works, and the most important rule every beginner should know before placing a trade. Let's start with the basics. Forex stands for foreign exchange. It is the largest financial market in the world where different currencies are bought and sold. Every day, trillions of dollars are traded in this market by banks, institutions, businesses, and individual traders. Unlike the stock market, the Forex market operates almost 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. In Forex trading, you're simply predicting whether the price of one currency will rise or fall against another currency. If your prediction is correct, you make a profit. If your prediction is wrong, you take a loss. That's the basic concept of trading. Now let's understand currency pairs. Every Forex trade involves two currencies, for example, EUR-USD, GBP-USD, or USD-JPY. The first currency is called the base currency, and the second one is called the quote currency. If EUR-USD is trading at 1.18 it means 1 euro is worth 1.18 US dollars. If you believe the euro will become stronger than the US dollar, you place a buy trade. If you think the euro will become weaker, you place a sell trade. Next, let's talk about pips. A pip is the smallest movement in the price of a currency pair. For example, if EUR-USD moves from 1.18 to 1.1805, the market has moved 5 pips. Your profit or loss depends on how many pips the market moves and the size of your trade. Professional traders always calculate their risk before entering a trade, instead of focusing only on profits. Now let's understand lot size. Lot size simply means the volume of your trade. There are different types of lot sizes, including standard lot, mini lot, and micro lot. As a beginner, it's always better to start with a smaller lot size because it reduces your risk. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is trading with large positions in the hope of making quick money. Successful traders focus on protecting their capital first, and profits come later. Another important concept is leverage. Leverage allows you to control a larger trading position with a smaller amount of money. While leverage can increase your profits, it can also increase your losses. This is why many beginners lose their entire account in a short period of time. Always remember that leverage is a tool, not a shortcut to success. Use it wisely and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now let's discuss the biggest mistakes that new traders make. The first mistake is trading without proper knowledge. Many people watch one or two videos and immediately start trading with real money. Trading is a skill that takes time to learn. The second mistake is trading without a stop loss. Every trade should have a planned exit if the market moves against you. The third mistake is risking too much money on a single trade. Most professional traders risk only a small percentage of their account on each trade. The fourth mistake is overtrading. More trades do not mean more profits. Taking only high-quality setups is always better than entering random trades. The fifth mistake is trading based on emotions. Fear, greed, and revenge trading are the biggest reasons why beginners fail. Successful traders follow their trading plan instead of their emotions. If you want to become a successful Forex trader, focus on learning before earning. Build strong trading habits, practice on a demo account, learn proper risk management, and stay disciplined. Remember, consistency is far more important than trying to double your account overnight. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand Forex trading, crypto trading, gold, XAUUSD, price action, risk management, and trading psychology in a simple and practical way. There will be no fake promises or unrealistic claims, only real trading education designed to help you improve step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming trading lessons. In the next video, we'll learn candlestick patterns and market structure, skills for every trader. Thank you for watching EKN Trader. Learn, trade, grow, one trade at a time.